Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So first let's select preferred language. I'll go with English, then tap start. Then you can connect, then you have to agree with user license agreement and privacy policy, tap agree. Then you can transfer your device like settings and files from your previous device, or you can just set up device as new and skip this step. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services which you can turn off. Then tap accept. Then you can set up your device protection, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Tap next. Then you can log in into Samsung account if you have one. You can create if you want to, or you can just skip this and just forget about this Samsung account, and yeah. Then I suggest you to disable these switchers, tap agree. Then you can select display theme. You can select light or dark. I like the dark one more. And you're all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.